holiday parties and hosting and guests and all kinds of things to buy gifts for family, friends, and what do you give them, right? It's always so difficult to come up with something. Well, I wanted to show you a perfect idea for any party that you're going to, or your mother, or anybody who loves live plants, and you just need something quick and easy to take that looks custom, but you don't have to dig any holes, you don't have to actually be planting anything. All right, you ready for it? Super easy. Go to your local garden center. I'm here today at Stokely's. Grab a beautiful plant. This is a variegated ivy. Grab a planter, put that bad boy in there, and then all you have to do to make it look super custom and really like a florist put it together is to add some sort of moss. I love Spanish moss. I've really become so obsessed with it lately. I don't know what my deal is, but you can actually just go pick it up at no cost off the ground, y'all. Don't be pulling it off of trees, and just put it around the planter like so. And then you have like a custom suite, just put a little gift tag on it, and there's your hostess gift. Let's do it over and over again just to repeat it and show you guys. This is a pansy. Again, it's got the ugly, well, you can clean the dirt off if you want, but it's got the nursery labels and everything on it. Throw it in a planter, put your Spanish moss around. And look, this is even with the pot, but all you have to do is just tuck it around like this. Isn't that really a cute Christmas hostess gift? And it costs like $6. So now you're really winning with the hostess gift. All right, there's two. All right, now here's a really, these are they always come in this foil. The poinsettias always come in this foil, and it's decorative, but everybody else's has got the exact same poinsettia. So to make it a little more custom and a little more unique, guess what? We're gonna take off that foil, have your plastic container, and then put it in a ceramic container. Pop it in there, add your Spanish moss, and remember, if you guys live in the north and you don't have Spanish moss, or by the way, this Spanish moss, there's danger of bugs. It has not been sanitized or anything. So if you want to be for sure bug-free, you can pick up, they actually have green Spanish moss. They have brown Spanish moss. There's all kinds of colors. And then there's also like moss. So you can do all kinds of different things, but this is the moss off the ground. Anyway, just tuck that stuff around like we did in all the others. And then you have a poinsettia that looks like you didn't just pick it up, with the foil around it. All right, so there we go. There's three. And the other thing too, poinsettias are so, I would say stereotypically Christmas, which is fine. They've got that super red color that we love so much, but I like to go a little not traditional. I like to go subtle Christmas and holiday decor. And I think you can do that with these plants too, over here. These have like these little slight hints of red in them that makes them feel like Christmas, but they can be used throughout the year so that after you give them away and the person has them in their house, they can use them all throughout the entire year rather than just feeling like they have to pitch them out after Christmas. So we got this one here, plastic pot, put it in your ceramic pot. And look, this Spanish moss, a little bit goes a long way. So if you get 1 pack or 2 packs, I mean, it'll probably do all of your hostess gifts that you'll be needing throughout the entire season. So just wrap that up. That one's done, and then we have this plant down here. Now, this is a really special person because this is a big planter and a big plant. You gotta really like this person for this. This one actually is gonna go all the way in, and it doesn't need any Spanish moss. It's kind of a deep planter, but look how pretty it is. And it's definitely got that holiday color without being like overtly Christmas, which I really love. All right, y'all, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hostess gifts in like 3 minutes. Y'all go make some.